Acting on a tip of a combined team of Thoubal District Police, Thoubal Commando and Lilong Police seized 420 illegal cough syrup bottle from MD Jakir, aged about 22 years, of Lilong Turel Ahanbi, Boroi Makhong last night. However, Jakir managed to escape from the scene. More Commando team recovered 10,000 WY tablets from an eco van near Khudeng Thabi along the Imphal-More highway last evening at around 4. The eco van with registration number MN04P2129 was heading Imphal from More. Reportedly, one of the passengers travelling in the vehicle has escaped. Under the supervisions of Apunba Manipur Huyen Lalong Loop, IMMAA, a Thangta training camp has kick-started at the Institutions of Rural Education IRE in Wangjing. Illegal influx to the northeast and Assam is a genuine problem. The Assam Accord was a national commitment and it cannot be violated, said former Aam Aadmi Party leader and president of Swaraj Abhiyan, Yogendra Yadav. As per sources, Yadav was in Guwahati where he spoke on various issues, including the Citizenship Amendment Act. The Dimapur District Administration has started issuing Inner Line Permit ILP applications and exemptions form. As per media reports, Dimapur Deputy Commissioner Anup Kinchi, in a release, said the form are being issued in his office under designated officers and at the ILP counter since Thursday last.